Hello, my name is Jessica Tenney, and I will be introducing an innovative restructuring plan for Sears Holdings Corporation to implement and leverage big data through business intelligence tools. First, I would like to thank you for your time and consideration in my data-informed solution plan. In 2004, the well-known U.S. big box retailer Kmart bought the department store retailer Sears Roebuck. This purchase and merger formed Sears Holdings Corporation, whose mission is to serve as a leading integrated retailer focused on seamlessly connecting the digital and physical shopping experience to serve members whenever, wherever, and however they choose. Despite the stated devotion, Sears Holdings Company still operates the two full-line and specialty retailers as separate business units across the United States. The retail transformation over the last decade due to social media, e-commerce, and customer expectations has drastically affected brick-and-mortar retailers. The modern consumer expects transparency across online, service, and in-store channels, while the omni-channel customer prefers the sensory experience of in-store shopping but expects the convenience, selection, and availability of e-commerce. The modern retail market makes competition interesting as competitors pop up where least expected in a non-traditional sense. Furthermore, customers are trending on small boutique retailers and mall outcomes are difficult to anticipate due to domino effects. Sears Holdings is facing the retail transformation with requirements of heavy technological investment during a time of financial instability and CEO majority. There is grave potential for a failure to innovate. However, this revolutionary cusp of opportunity should be fully exploited. A full omni-channel transformation will provide capabilities beyond the current multi-channel offerings and allow data to inform strategy. Sears Holdings is now showing a 6% operating loss. They have recently injected over $12 billion in cash into operations, and they have closed 150 stores this year alone. Nonetheless, strength in brand loyalty and several strategic realignments have supported growth projections to allow credit extensions that can be used to assist in juggling liquidities to support operations and realignment in the forefront. Sears Holdings offers excellent strength in terms of their membership program optimizations, layaway programs, free in-store pickup and returns, appliance segment innovations, the Citi Credit Partnership, and other recent multi-channel integrations. Optimizing these offerings to omni-channel transparency and scaling through business intelligence coupled with strong brand recognition will ensure customer loyalty and financial stability into the future of retail. To meet industry, competitor, and consumer demands, Sears Holdings will need to perform an internal realignment and develop the technical infrastructure to support an integrated customer service center across touchpoints so associates have the means to credibly serve customers and customers have an omni-channel experience. A stigma has been left over the retailers due to customer service issues and consumer data protection concerns. This industrial transformation will be leveraged as an opportunity to rebrand and transform customers back into Sears and Kmart loyalists, as Americans always have been, just in a new form. After 30 days of not receiving a status email, and after 20 days past due delivery for an online order placed with Kmart.com, a customer called into the customer service department to inquire as to the status of the order that showed processing online with a delivery date that was past due and a 23-day outstanding order. The customer had to speak with 3 different reps for a different reason. Each one of them had a different reason for why the order had fallen through. The first agent said there had been an issue with the payment when the customer could not see a payment issue on their end. The second agent stated the order had been canceled, although it still showed processing on the customer end. And the third agent stated that the system had lost the order. There was no explanation, and there wasn't anything that could be done at that point in time other than cancel the order with no opportunity for reorder or reorder incentive. The order was canceled after the customer had been on hold for just under an hour. The call was disconnected with no call back. Even more alarming than the fact that none of the reps had a single source of truth to inform a true explanation of what had happened with the order is the fact that there was not an alert notification or event trigger or oversight mechanism to notify business users of the order failure. Data governance measures to ensure data reliability by doing quality checks would have revealed the system failure and a consequential order failure if they were in place. Associates were ill-equipped and defensive as they were not able to properly help, and both consumer and employee became increasingly frustrated. This practice is unacceptable in today's retail market. There is simply too much competition, too many options, and social proofing is a powerful tool that consumers fully utilize for influential gravity, either for or against brands. Sears Holdings can achieve its mission of member-centric organizational realignment by leveraging a technical infrastructure to provide an innovative omni-channel customer experience that will drive in-store traffic, maximize data revenue potentials, and offer modern value to customers in this stringent, complex industry. An IBM Watson Internet of Things integration is recommended alongside an in-store digital transformation and realignment of operations to an integrated omni-channel structure that supports an end-to-end supply and service chain. These technologies will integrate all structured and unstructured internal and external data to include in-store sensors, the internet, customer conversations in-store and online, social media, and unstructured public and internal sources. All sources will then flow into an integrated cloud architecture processed through the intuitive Watson Analytics engine and accessible by all business users through the desirable IBM Bluemix platform or individualized interfaces, dashboards, and applications that can be easily constructed. This data will inform all future strategy through consumer behavioral analytics, targeted geolocation marketing, in-store foot traffic patterns, and mixed reality features to create a transparent omni-channel experience. The recommended technology infrastructure implementation will consist of an IBM Watson Internet of Things foundation coupled with the Watson Analytics powerhouse. All data are easily accessible for exploration and insights through the IBM Blueform platform. The IoT is a network of devices and sensors through the store to interact with consumers while visiting the store by tracking foot patterns, dwell product, and department dwell times, and sense customer locations to pull in-store traffic and send personalized push notifications to members based upon online or in-store product preferences to drive omni-channel conversions and in-store foot traffic. Full implementation is projected to take 9 months with ongoing maintenance, support, updates, and training. The first month will require 5 developers, 3 business analysts, 1 data scientist, 1 trainer, and 1 architect to perform a historical migration of all Sears and Kmart data, begin to gather business needs, and deploy virtual agents for omni-channel reintegration. Months 2 and 3 will consist of developing and deploying protocols, touchpoints, device schemas, user permissions, and roles, rules, and events. Months 4 and 5 will bring the long-awaited in-store digital overhaul as well as design and development of mixed reality offerings. Month 6 will focus on further development and deployment of chatbots, other specific needs apps, and analysis of consumer behavioral analytics will begin. Month 7 will deploy all final boards, actions, and cards. Visualization and analytics training will take place in month 8, as well as the rollout of personalized offers to customers from consumer behavioral analytics consumed starting in month 6 and historical data analyzed in months 1 through 5. Month 9 wraps up the initial implementation by integrating advanced analytics for edge virtual properties and deploying in-store virtual assistants in the respective devices. Customer service departments of the retailers need to be integrated just as well as the systems do. Each representative should be able to fully assist from a single source of truth for each customer encountered, independent of medium. A full operational unit integration between retailers would allow the consumer behavioral analytics experience and brand loyalty of each retailer to leverage the other. Furthermore, a common business language and mission creates twice the innovation and success for all parties involved. The technical infrastructure will allow data management at a level of differentiation for key decision criteria and key performance indicators that will need to be assessed at a subsidiary level, but the psychographic and demographic consumer data is the largest asset the retailers have. It needs to be fully leveraged across channels and brands in a convenient and personalized way for consumers. Process and system modeling, communication protocols, and key performance indicator development can occur after definitions, needs, and requirements are established at an enterprise level. A technical infrastructure through IBM's Watson Internet of Things will offer behavioral analytics, content management, and retail management capabilities to create a transparent omni-channel customer experience, improve operational costs, and create additional sideline revenue opportunities. Having a single source of truth for enterprise resource planning, supply chain management, customer resource management, web, social media, and text data, as well as images, audio, video, and machine log data, will allow Sears Holdings business users to move, manage, and access data through analytical tools for marketing applications, business intelligence, data mining, math and statistics, and languages. All stakeholders will have timely access to raw or processed data that can be filtered or unarchived. Data discovery, pattern detection through path, graph, and time series analysis, and new model factor uncovering will occur. Dashboards, reports, recommendations, operational insights, rules, and events will inform strategy and action to ensure operational optimization and maximize experience impression. All information of things data will be collected and massaged into all other internal and external, structured and non-structured data sources. A vast list can quickly be summarized through smart kiosks, point-of-service terminals, social media, digital assets, documents, forms, websites, customer resource management, supply chain management, syndicated industry data, consumer packaged goods data, and external social database offerings will provide a rich data foundation for Sears Holdings and its retailers. An end-to-end customer experience that provides maximum supply to service chain transparency and a holistic single source view of the customer to build a psychographic and demographic profile to inform customer experience and operations will be possible through such a rich, robust, and interdisciplinary source. As part of this innovative restructuring, digital displays, signage, smart shelving, and interactive kiosks embedded with voice, facial, gesture, and emotional impact recognition will be integrated throughout the retailers to feed consumer behavioral analytics data. These devices will interact with customers to gather sound, image, gesture, video, and location data while providing relevant real-time advertisements, videos, and product information based upon nearby customers and their interactions to and reactions to products. Augmented and virtual reality offerings will be integrated in-store and within the Kmart, Sears, and Shop Your Way Rewards apps, empowering customers to bring the in-store sensory experience to the customer anytime, anywhere. If a customer wants to view home decor items in their living room to make a purchase decision, they can quickly do so. Shoes can also be viewed against your favorite dress. Never again will customers feel the need to bring a purchased garment in-store to match an accessory. Virtual mirrors, digital mirrors, and signage and interactive displays will offer an endless aisle experience to an in-store customer who desires a selection of SKUs beyond store capacity. Further transparency of e-commerce convenience will be implemented in-store by offering customers digital product information and virtual agents to extend beyond the traditional brick-and-mortar experience and edge toward the retailtainment sector. The Watson Analytics platform offers robust artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to support and leverage the data gathered through the information of technology in source systems to understand consumer behaviors in a granular as well as psychographic manner, while also improving customer experience with subjective emotional motivators and relevant information to offer convenience and desirability to a seemingly typical shopping experience. Merchandising, product placement, and store layout insights will be gathered through the technology and offered via dashboards, scorecards, scheduled and ad hoc reports. Mixed reality capabilities will also be used to allow customers the interactive opportunity to provide feedback on potential layouts and placements. Not only will customers feel important and empowered, research and development costs and times will be drastically reduced. Watson Analytics Framework will inform dashboards that allow managers to efficiently and effectively staff and operate while empowering associates with real-time mobile capacity to fully serve customers across channels to improve wait times, customer experience, and leave a positive, poignant impression. Machine learning and text analytics, customer experience analytics, mindset analysis, and customized dashboards can all be explored with just a few clicks. The Customer Service Center will house chatbots and virtual agents that utilize machine learning capabilities and AI, as well as all source data to understand business requirements and customer needs in an emotionally intelligent manner. This will not only improve frontline service, associates can also utilize the technologies in their service efforts, and resources can be minimized by using virtual agents, which reduces operational costs. The virtual agents and chatbot technology will be integrated over all touchpoints. Most notably, smart shelving displays and push buttons throughout the store will be featured. Virtual agent services to customers either automatically or on demand. Social media and content management and analysis will also benefit from Watson Analytics, machine learning, and virtual capacities. Business users will quickly and easily develop customized dashboards in just a few clicks to gather the data that is important to their role independently and as a part of the organization. Day-over-day operations reporting, dashboards, and scorecards will help with real-time operational insights and recommendations through all facets of the enterprise to equip the retailers with the tools necessary to provide an omni-retail customer experience. Key performance indicators can be taken in raw form across subsidiaries, then tracked and managed in a relevant, insightful manner customized for the user. Key performance indicators will be reestablished to meet new business needs for the omni-channel retailer. Some existing KPIs will be utilized only in new contexts. Existing KPIs will be used with historical data and real-time data as soon as it is available to inform day-to-day store operations and provide context to the day's operations in terms of questions being asked about the day. Although Sears Holdings is struggling financially, the mission is to optimize a member-centric culture and ensure financial stability into the future. While the retail transformation is requiring a large upfront technological investment during unfortunate time, the solution and value potential within is required for long-term sustainability in the face of the modern consumer and retail market. Design and development costs, hardware, software, human resource training, and maintenance costs have all been considered in the total cost of ownership. Benefits are included in marketing, employee satisfaction, customer experience, operating costs, sales, and sideline revenues have all been included in the total cost of ownership. Worst case, realistic, and optimistic projections have been assessed along with decisions under risk criteria to evaluate total overall impact and return on investment. Optimistic projections show a $14.65 billion return on investment over 7 years. Worst case, a total 5-year impact of $9.6 billion. The innovative nature of the recommended solution does make assessing a total cost of ownership and future return on investment a projection. However, it is a very pleasing forecast. Implementing the Internet of Things will put Sears Holdings into an operating positive in 2018, whereas without it, current growth rates would show an operating loss through 2021, not showing a gain until 2021, and a very minimal operational gain through 2025 that is 7 times as much with the Internet of Things projection. In addition, industry projections offer 60% improvement potential in retail operating margins with big data, a 15 to 20% marketing potential increase, and an estimated 1.8 trillion cross-channel retail sales potential in the U.S. in 2017 alone, and greater than 500 billion estimated annual impact of Internet of Things in retail by 2020-25. A 40% reduction in customer contact resolution time, 37% increase in end customer satisfaction, and 60% reduction in summarization time through Internet of Technologies. Internet of Things technologies can also be considered in the total overall company impact for Sears Holdings to go ahead and take a leap of faith and leverage into the retail market as of late.